So I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today. As always, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another section of my Lush collection. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you my Lush shower jellies collection. I have 13 shower jellies, which is very excessive, I'm well aware, but I rarely use shower jellies, to be honest, so I haven't really used them in a long time. So without further ado, I'm going to jump into this video. I hope you guys enjoy and carry on watching. So the first shower jelly that I have here is the Sweetie Pie shower jelly. Now this one came out many moons ago. This is definitely way past its time, but it does smell literally exactly the same, so I'm not going to throw it away. This one I've cut into chunks. A lot of my shower jellies I've cut into chunks because I tend to use them as bubble bars rather than like a body wash, but this one smells like the comforter. It's so sweet, so fruity, and I just absolutely love this. It's kind of like blackcurranty, but not. It's really, really good. In terms of ingredients, this one has cherry infusion, coconut infusion, bergamot oil, and I think that's basically it. Lime, maybe? But it's so, so good. Absolutely love it. And I kind of forgot I had it, so I definitely need to use this ASAP. The next one I have is the Deep Sleep Shower Jelly. This one smells like Twilight, so hence why I bought it. It's so, so lovely. And ingredients wise, this one has orange juice and lavender oil and chamomile oil and neroli oil. So it's super uplifting, really relaxing, and I love it. So love that one. The next one is Santa's Belly Shower Jelly. This one comes out every year for Christmas and it smells like apples. It literally smells like So White shower gel or bath bomb. It's so fresh and so creamy. Oh, it also smells like the Once Upon a Time body lotion. That's the same scent, so it's really lovely. I really like this one, although it is really like leaky, if you know what I mean. There is a lot of liquid in here, so I think I need to like rinse this out or something because my hands are now sticky, so that's really great. But this one just smells amazing. I believe it is out this year, so if you haven't tried it yet, go and grab one. It's so good. My hands are so moist. Ooh. The next shower jelly is one from the kitchen, and this is the Iced Wine Shower Jelly. This one has grapefruit, bergamot, buchu oil in it, so I think it smells, oh my god, what is that smell? It smells really familiar. It smells like fake, like grape or something. Does it have grape in it? It smells really like fake grapey. It's really good though. It smells really beautiful. But yeah, this one was from the kitchen, so I don't think you can just get this online anymore, but it is a really good one. So if it comes up on the kitchen, you should get your hands on it. It's very, very nice, very fresh, very fruity. Love that. The next one was an all year round product, and this is the Refresher Shower Jelly. I don't believe they make this one anymore, but this one is lemon, rosewood, and lemon myrtle oil, lemon oil. It's basically lemon, so it smells really fresh and really fruity. Oh, this one smells amazing. I forgot how good this one was. This one is so good. It basically smells like sour lemon. It's really, really nice. And again, it's leaking all over my hands, so I'm going to pop that one down. Next up, we have the Snowman Shower Jelly. This one smells like the carrot soap. So it has carrot infusion and lemon oil and bergamot. So it's really fresh. Not very carroty. It just has a very significant scent, if you know what I mean. Like, I've definitely had that smell before. That doesn't sound good. But yeah, I absolutely love this one. They bring this out for Christmas. Again, I don't think they've brought it out this year though, but it is a really beautiful one that I do hope they bring back next year. The next one came out for either Mother's Day or Valentine's Day. I can't quite remember, but this is the Pink Custard Shower Jelly. It looks like this. This one has golden syrup, lavender oil, and vanilla. So I think it smells, does it smell like Yummy Mummy? No. Think Pink. That was it. It's got the same scent as Think Pink. So I really, really like this one, hence why I picked it up. But I can't remember when it came out. I think it was Valentine's Day, actually. Thinking about it. Was it Valentine's Day? Let me know below. I can't remember. The next one I had to pick up when it came online because, as you guys know, I am obsessed with this fragrance, and that is Plum Rain. I'm not going to go into this one too much. You know I'm obsessed with Plum Rain. It smells like the shower gel, which is now discontinued, but oh my gosh, it's heavenly. I absolutely love Plum Rain, and I haven't even chopped this one up because I can't bring myself to do it. So yeah, had to pick this one up. This one, if you don't know what Plum Rain smells like, it has plum juice, petitgrain oil, and it basically smells like a fresh plum in the woods, but in a really good way. I hope that makes sense. Similarly to that one is the Twilight one, which I'm not gonna lie to you, look how stunning that is. I literally bought this, obviously for the scent, but the colour of that is unbelievable. So obviously it smells like Twilight. This has lavender and neroli, is it? Or ylang ylang? Lavender, ylang ylang, and is that it? I think that might be it. So yeah, absolutely love this. If you guys have not tried Twilight before, you need to try it, it's amazing. Next up is an Easter shower jelly from a little while ago, and this is the Bouncy Bunny shower jelly. This one has Brazilian orange oil. I believe this kind of smelt like those, yeah, it does. Okay, I'm gonna try and describe it. I hope you guys know what I mean. Years ago, they had these sweets and they were called like, it was like cap something, I can't quite remember. It began with a C and an A, and they were little tiny sweets. They looked like Werther's Originals, however they were white and yellow, no, white and orange, and then there were ones that were white and red, and they were like strawberries and cream and like orange and cream. This smells like the orange and cream ones, like exactly. So if you guys know what those sweets are called, can you let me know, because I really want to buy some, because they were honestly delicious. But yeah, love this. Next up we have a Halloween classic, and that is the Nightwing shower jelly. Now this one smells like lime fruit pastels. It's so fresh, so fruity. I'm not going to open it because literally it's like a dark blue and it goes everywhere, but it smells unbelievable. Again, this is from Halloween, so I don't believe you can buy this anymore. I don't think they brought it out this year. However, it does smell incredible. It's kind of like a Collis scent, so it's amazing. And last but by no means least is an absolute cult classic, and that is Needles and Pines. Now this one smells exactly like the Fresh As perfume, so if you don't know what this smells like, that is what it smells like. It smells amazing. It says the description is a woody evergreen infusion of pine needles and cypress leaf, which creates a scent to transport your mind to Finnish forests. However, as you guys know, I don't like the smell of a garden. It's not my cup of tea, but for some reason this just has like a different smell. Like it's got like a almost soury smell to it, and I absolutely love it. Ingredients wise, it's got pine needle infusion, cypress leaf infusion, pine nut oil, cedarwood oil, and grapefruit. I think it's the grapefruit in this that makes me like it. It's got that fruity kind of undertone to it, but yeah, obsessed, absolutely love this. So that is everything for this video. I really hope you guys did enjoy it. Let me know down below your favourite Lush shower jellies, because I clearly have too many and I need to get through them ASAP, but let me know your favourites down below. Also, if you're not subscribed, don't forget to subscribe while you're here. I would love to hit 10k super soon, and there will be a giveaway as soon as we get there. So yeah, basically, I'm going to go, I'm going to finish my iced coffee, and I'm off to do some Christmas shopping. So I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!